Honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help fight acne and also reduce the redness. For a simple acne remedy, we'll need 1 teaspoon of honey and half a teaspoon of cinnamon, which also contains antibacterial properties. Apply this anywhere you have acne and wash it off after 10 minutes. The moisturizing properties of honey make it ideal for restoring dry, damaged hair. To make a repairing hair mask, mix 2 parts honey to 1 part olive oil, which also helps to smooth and condition the hair. This mask will not only leave your hair soft, but it also adds a beautiful shine. Just apply this to damp hair, wrap it into a bun, and then shampoo after 30 minutes. Because honey is a natural humectant, it has the power to moisturize and heal dry, chapped lips. Simply dab some honey right onto the lips to hydrate and restore lost moisture. The enzymes in honey can also help to cleanse and rejuvenate the skin. To make an all-natural facial cleanser, mix 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of ground oatmeal. Oatmeal is one of the best natural cleansers, and it does a great job of exfoliating the skin. Massage this for a few minutes and you'll be left with a healthy, glowing complexion. For a simple face mask with tons of benefits, all you need is honey. It's loaded with nutrients and enzymes that help to clarify the skin and keep it hydrated by retaining in the moisture. It also promotes healing, lightens acne scars, and leaves you with a beautiful glow. Let the mask sit for 20 minutes and then rinse it off.